Another blooper.
How are you going to
I don't know if I can talk about nuts.
These things here.
Did I say raw? Did I use the word raw?
You did not.
I didn't think I did.
No, I did not hear raw.
Hi, I'm Wilma Haerkens. I'm your makeover specialist. And today we've got some more raw food taste testing. That sounded awful, you guys.
You're going to taste test raw food. Not now.
Oh, you just found the piano. So Francine is back, and she also brought her son, Daniel. Daniel? Why am I doing that? Like, I hesitate.
Because she can't say it's Danielle. Okay, English people say Daniel, but his name is a French name.
Right.
And it's Danielle. But,
I'd rather go by his
Danielle. Yeah,
Danielle.
that's his
Okay.
name is Danielle.
All right, I'll try that again.
Take three.
Take three. Danielle. Danielle. Danielle.
Danielle.
It's always harder. It's much more natural when I'm doing it with Francine. Hi. So once again,
Here, wait. This little hair. Just
It's
been bothering me.
well, it keeps moving.
Yeah. Okay, there you go. You're better now. You're on TV. This is your debut.
It's intense. Have we got too much room up above our heads? So that's not good.
Oh,
Well, there you go.
That's better. Okay. Oh, we went.
But you
We
can
need
see
another
up my
book.
nose.
Can you slide this book underneath?
Yeah. I was going to say, but you can see in my nose.
I know. This was awful. I could see up my nose. I'm like, and I just wax there. So when I'm making my when I'm making, you were right in there anyways.
Oh, yeah.
You were not going to. You didn't care. What I do is I always soak my nuts. That sounds. Okay.
Oops.
So what I do is
You should just keep that in for funnies.
yeah, it probably will. I try to add some bloopers
At the end.
Yeah.
So I take that material
Oh,
and I
nice.
put them at the end.
Nice.
Yeah, we have a few.
That's
You
what
should
happens.
watch our video.
Yeah,
Subscribe to my channel.
It's actually really good.
We're quite entertaining.
We are.
So it's recommended. So what happens? The nuts are protected. Oh my god!
Another blooper.
How are you going to
I don't know if I can talk about nuts.
These things here. These things.
I'm not touching that with a 10-foot pole.
Obviously.
Blooper!
Exactly. Well, they can't see the cat.
No.
No, I know.
Yeah, that's the worst part.
I know exactly.
All right.
Okay. Just shoo her away and we'll cut. Okay, off.
She won't even.
Oh, she's the type. She just puts her whole weight down. There we go.
It's
Really?
Isabella,
What is
you
it?
are not part of the taste testing. Goodbye.
What is it?
Yeah, I know.
I know. I put it on.
I was thinking of that. You must be reading my mind. I don't know.
No.
So sweets first. Zena, it's time for you to go to rush into the rest. Okay, Zena, you're a total distraction. Get off the table.
Obviously.
Looking at the
The white light. The light.
The light.
The light.
And
You're following your heart.
and
what it
his
says.
heart says, "Give me food."
Yep.
Okay, so we're okay.
Here we are again.
Yeah, so we'll start with the smile. Cat in the background, that's all good.
Now we have to smile again so she knows where to cut it.
Yeah.
All right.
So we look in the camera, we start, we all smile.
Follow the light.
So you have to look at the light. Don't look at yourself because it'll show that you're looking at yourself. So you look at them. So go in the high corners.
I'm too close.
Yeah, no, because you'll be closer. Like when you go further closer to the camera, then your head's bigger. You too. Go like step over here
Yeah, you
and
gotta
then
be
look
bigger.
in. So
Make it
you're bigger than me. That's
Yeah.
it. Yeah.
Oh, that's actually really cool. Yeah, I get what you're saying. And then you're gonna put the dessert.
Look at the light,
Yeah, and the dessert will be in your hands.
right?
Yeah, that's good.
That's all
Exactly.
we do. So we have to smile.
It's like the hardest thing in the world. In the light.